So I'll be doing this using your brand so you can see exactly how I expect it to be. Then you try yours again. This is me using my phone document. Let's title it Melox Accessories. So yes, we've created this. So for assignment number 1, pick a brand, it could be yours, and create a well-detailed target audience definition using the templates taught today. So brand overview, that will be brand name, Melox Accessories, niche, fashion accessories, unisex, so we have target audience definition, let's make a table. I don't know, let's do this first. I know it is more than this, but target audience, target market, so we have young women. So target markets, under young women we have students. So this is like further defining young women, like NYSC and working class ladies. Then geography, probably people that lives in Lagos, Abuja, Ibadan, Ogun State. Then for demography, obviously females, aged 18 to 35. Then people that who loves looking put together. Females who likes affordable luxury and their behavioral pattern. They are always active on Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. So they are tech savvy. TikTok. I could have joined this together with young women, making everything young adults. But I just want to like break everything down as simple as I can. Do you get? I can just add it together with young women and just save myself the stress of doing this. But I just wanted to simplify everything, so it is possible to do it. They have almost the same behavioral pattern because they are under the same age group. So I'm just doing this. I'm just separating it. The only difference there is the gender. So most of them likes like the same thing. They fall under the same category. So for their pain points for young women, you can use it interchangeably. So for this one, we have don't know where to find quality accessories, afraid of low quality products. Their interest, they are looking for stylish accessories and good quality at affordable prices. They want affordable but classy items, and they don't know trusted vendors. So for the so I want to add another one to this. These are your secondary target audience. Premise target audience are the young women and men, the students, NYSC. But this is your secondary target audience. They are the gift buyers. The one that buys gifts for um birthdays. They buy gifts for birthdays, for surprises, for anniversary. You get the gist of it. Anniversaries. So then probably in Lagos, Ibadan, PH, Ogun, Abuja, maybe Kaduna. Then what else? They're mostly male and female. Males and females. And females aged 18 to maybe 40. So they are mostly active on IG, FB, TikTok, and and Snapchat. So they are active on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat. They need something nice, affordable, and presentable. They like trends. They follow fashion influencers. They want fast and reliable deliveries. This is at their pain point and interest. So I'll just put a short note underneath. So your target market is not everybody. It is young women and men who cares about their appearance and want affordable but stylish accessories. Please note, I'm placing this as not as an affordable brand, not a luxury brand. If it is a luxury brand, then the target audience will be different. I'm placing this as an affordable brand. That is why the target audience are young women and men aged 18 to 35. So this is the short version of the target audience. Melox accessories target young adults 18 to 35, both male and female, who are fashion conscious and interested in affordable luxury accessories such as watches, rings, necklace. These individuals are active on social media and are influenced by trends, visuals, and product presentation. So this is an example customer, a 23-year-old working class lady, or could be a student who likes to look stylish without spending too much. She buys accessories to upgrade her outfit for outing, work, or events. So we are done with target audience definition now, that which is number one. Number two, the number two task, I think it is the niche, which we have already stated. The niche is a fashion accessories, unisex fashion accessories. Then for the third